Hey, how's it going? My name is Eric. The date is September 4th, 2020, during the COVID-19 epidemic. It's approximately 1:23 p.m. Uh, this video is just to show you some things that people may not use normally and maybe find a different purpose for them. For instance, like this cinder block here. It's just a regular cinder block. It's got the holes in it, stuff like that, and it's hollow, of course. But I thought this was kind of a good idea because it's kind of like a cool decking in a way, because you can actually use them for drainage. And I'm going to show you what I used it for drainage. Because we live live out by a river bottom, so the yards out here have to slant a certain way because the yard is on an incline. And so they try to, ever since we first lived here, I tried to like keep the yard exactly how they did it when it was first made. Essentially, so it sheds all the water to the street. But anyways, I use this essentially as for drainage, like piping. Only it's a lot easier, I guess. I would say it's easier, but essentially, I'll show you what I used it for. As you can see, I put it underneath the gate and essentially used it like a concrete. Let me open up this gate. Essentially used it as like a, kind of like a concrete, like a walkway. And all I did, of course it goes all the way through. It's usually open, but I recently just closed the other end, but it does drain out still because we have rocks. It just kind of filters only water out. But anyways, so essentially I just set them up in a straight line. I had to I didn't really dig. I kind of like used a hoe and scraped it, a hoe and a real strong rake. And if I especially if I went too deep or whatever, all I would do was put sand underneath it and kind of tamp them down to make them even with the I used a level, and then I just put the same kind of ones on the sides, and made it the way that it is now. And it seems to work pretty good. I mean, it's not very hot. I'm in Arizona, and I can stand on it in my bare feet in full sun when it's God knows what out, and doesn't ever really burn my feet, thank God. But it's cool, if there just leaves get in there, you just pull them out, or if you got either a water hose or air, you can open up the other end and just blow it out. It's pretty cool. But that's one of my things that I've never seen before, but that I just came up with. But yes, show you some of these techniques, and I'm gonna have a lot more videos coming up here pretty quick. Stuff like this, just kind of off the wall, whatever, practical usage, whatever. But again, my name is Eric Anderson, and I'm looking to start my own YouTube channel. And leave comments below, and leave a like, and try to subscribe if you can. That way I can keep showing you techniques like this. Appreciate it. Have a good day.